One of the main reasons a lot of people have a negative connotation regarding negotiating is because they're in a rush to win for themselves. The more that they want to win first, the more that they're creating this us versus them mentality. And with this mentality, do you really think that you're going to be creating a win-win-win deal? The chances of that are slim. It's much better if you allow the other person to win and you make them aware. That's the important part, making them aware. Because you don't want to allow someone to win and they think that you do this for everyone. You want to sneak in a comment like, all right, I'm going to do this for you because you seem like a good guy. Now their subconscious mind is getting engaged and they're thinking, oh, whoa, he already allowed me to win. And at this point, it becomes much easier for you to win. Now, this is something that's important because this will show the character of the person that you are negotiating with. Once you allowed them to win and you made them aware, you'll notice that low integrity people just want to leave it at that. While high integrity people now are going to see how they can help you. They will try to pull you up. And this makes you getting a win way easier. So you're killing multiple birds with one stone. Not only are you creating a win for them, but you're also seeing whether or not the person that you're dealing with has solid character or low character. And if it's a person with high character, you are currently winning in the process. But I want you to understand, for this entire process to work and for you to create this coveted win-win-win deal, you have to make sure that you made them aware that you allowed them to win. So let's say you're over here negotiating with a narrator on a book that you're currently working on. You're already done writing the book, and this narrator charges $100 an hour, but you could only afford $85 an hour. You tell this narrator, look, how about we do $90 an hour, plus I'll work on a long-term deal with you because I'm working on a book series. Look, I know it's tough out there for a lot of the narrators where you're getting one project at a time. But for you, I'm going to be working with you for a series of projects. And obviously, you got to know the person that you're negotiating with. And let's say that you've known this person for some time. Now this person's eyes light up because they realize mathematically, if they're working on a long-term deal, that means they're going to make a lot of their money back. And in addition, they have that safety. But you got to make them aware. Look, I'm looking out for you. I'm hooking you up. We're going to be doing this long-term deal. I look forward to working with you. Can you work with the price that I'm working with? At this point, they're going to be trying to pull you up and say, yes, let's close this deal. This was just an example, but understand that it's all about a series of steps. They win, you make them aware, you win, now the entire deal is a win.